So this video, what we're going to do is actually show you how to create a simple presentation using PowerPoint. You might want to do this if, let's say, you're trying to teach someone, or you get a new piece of equipment and you want to build like a little step-by-step process for your team or your crew to ensure that they understand how to utilize that particular equipment. So what we'll do is come down here, hit PowerPoint. That'll pull up and pretty much gives you a generic page here. Click add title, click add subtitles. So let's say you want to maybe go find a different template. So what you'll do is come up here where it says design, and it's going to give you some options here. If you click on them again, it gives you plenty of options as far as some different designs you want to go with. If you want to be a little creative, you have the ability to. So let's say we're good with that one. And again, you can also click down here where it says more, and it's going to give you a lot more here. Okay, so we're good with we'll go with this purple one here. So very simple and very self-explanatory. Click add title, how-to videos. Oops. How-to videos. And my subtitle by Bobby Sizemore. Now I got the first slide done. So how do you get the rest of the slides there? Well, you got some couple of ways to do that. You come up here, hit new slide, or you can right click it and it'll give you some more options too. New slide, duplicate slide. You can delete it or add a section. So we'll come up here, we'll just use a new slide here. And again, it's going to give you some more options. If you hit here, if you click this top one, it's just going to give you another blank one. Let's say you're not happy with that format, so we'll come over here. This you can either hit layout and it'll give you some different options. Let's say I want to go with this one. Okay, I'm happy with that one. I want a new slide. Again, I want to choose this one. I can come up here. We're going to get where it has your little options and hit the same one. So this one and this one are looking the same. So a great thing about these on the PowerPoint, again, very easy to use. You see as I scroll around my mouse, it's giving me some options on things I want to do with it. So either I could click here and add text. Hello. Or I could come over here and let's say I want to add a picture. I click picture. It's going to pull up a window, take me directly to my pictures. So let's say I want to add, let's add this hand picture. Either double click it or hit insert. Okay, so I added my hand picture, but as you see, it took everything else away. And in order to, you can actually scale this to make it bigger if you want, or make it smaller. You can rotate it around. But by doing that, you have to move your arrow key to one of the little balls, dots, and click and drag, and that'll make it bigger. Let's say it's upside down. I want to move it around, rotate it. I'm able to by grabbing the green button and dragging it around, like so. Okay. So here we'll add a hand. And if I want to add another title, I can. If I want to add more, maybe a text box, very simple. I'll come up here where it says insert, come to insert, and I can add a text box. Let's say I want another box underneath it or on the side. I click text box, and you see the little, looks like an upside down cross. Click and drag it, and it's going to allow me to type where I just clicked on. And I'll put click me. So you can see the box is a little, you can't really read the text, but again, you're able to manipulate the square, move it around to where you could adjust the lettering. So here I made the box bigger. Now I'm able to, you can actually read it. It says click me. Okay. Now if you decide you want to change this theme, again, it's pretty easy. You don't have to change every slide. You'll just come back up here to design, and we'll go with the different let's go with this one. And automatically adjusts to all your slides that you have, as you can see. Okay. So if you want to check your process to make sure that the slides are pretty much how you want it to look, what you do is come down to slideshow and hit from beginning. And now you can actually see by clicking down your slides that you have. And that's what they'll look like once the finished product is completed. When you're done with that, just right click and show, and it takes you back to your slides here. Now if you're conducting some training per slide and you got a picture and doesn't have that much description on there, there's no problem. You come down here where it says click add notes and for design. Okay, so you're the only person who can actually see these notes here. So if you're going through there right before a presentation, you're like, man, why did I put that there? Well, I could put in here, okay, look down here on my notes, hand for design. Okay, I had that hand because I wanted to, just for the design factor. Okay, so again, great tool to use. Once you actually start playing with it, again, there's a lot of things you could do with this. Once you start playing with it, like insert, okay, and put a video in there if I wanted to, some audio, an object, some shapes, you know, if I wanted to add a shape to it, come here, add a shape. So again, you have a lot of things you can do with this animation. If you're gotten pretty good at this, again, you could actually add some animation to the things that are on your slideshow. So here, if I put appear, so once I hit that and have it appear, let's see, make sure, there it goes. So whenever I actually start my slideshow, and when I click onto that second slide, after a couple of swipes, the picture won't appear at first, but it will appear once I actually go through my slides, and I'll show you that real quick. Let's see, let's go to slideshow from the current slide. So you can see that the hand picture is not there, but if I click down, it'll pull it up, and that's part of the animation. You could do that for anything that you add on the actual PowerPoint. And again, that's just going to take some time and some playing around with to get real familiar with that. Or you can always again call me or someone that in IT, they'll actually walk you through that if you need to. But again, very simple to create these slides. Not a whole lot to them. But that will conclude our video. Thank you, and have a good day.